Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Bhoopesh. Hope you're doing perfectly well. So we are gearing up for the weekend. So let me quickly introduce about the next video on agentzero. So last time we actually did an agentzero installation and then uses what is an agentzero? Agentzero is a personal AI assistant that is completely open source and you can do so many stuff on this. So you can watch my previous video that I'll post into my description of this video. So we can install agentzero into Docker mode, and then this is what we saw in last time, and then we can ask anything and everything from agency to get it done on your laptop, because it will not only suggest, it will just get your job done onto your laptop or onto your virtual machine. So last time we installed agentzero onto Docker container, and then we actually used the open router token credentials to make it work. But now today we don't want to use any token based methodology, because those things are related to cost and it may have limitations and all those things. So today we will install Ollama locally on my machine and then use LE free model from Ollama into my agentzero, so I'm not bound with all the token related things and I'm not going onto the internet again and again. So just to quickly recap, I have installed my agentzero onto my Docker container and the container is running fine. These are the bare minimum things that you need to mention when you are running it onto your machine. Simply give a path from your laptop or machine to the container so that it's a persistent. In case container reset, you have that data already stored. So agent zero is running fine. This is the web UI that you can access from here, right? So this is the one, and I have accessed my agent zero. It is running fine here. This is my agentzero running on port number 3276. It now I want to install Ollama so that I can use that Ollama model onto my agentzero. Now if you see the same documentation how to install Ollama locally, so you can actually maybe you know what is Ollama. Ollama is a framework where you can use all the models available, free or paid version of it. Okay, now you can install Ollama by, if it is curl command like this, or if it is Windows you can directly install from download installer. So I've already installed Ollama with this command just to save time, and I will see Ollama list. So I don't have any model associated to this. So I will you know see all the Ollama model library that are available, the free model library, and then I will try to find the bare minimum so that I'm able to show you the quick how chat works and everything. So I will search this Quen model. There are so many Quen free. This is all free version. So I will just take the Quen like this, and I will I have downloaded this 1.8. You can copy this and then you can simply come here, Ollama pull like this. So now I will pull this model to my laptop and then I will ask questions from this model into agentzero. So you can see the model has been downloaded and you can see Ollama list. Then it is giving the list of the model that has been downloaded, and we can run the model locally also, that how it is behaving fine. So that is one thing. So I've just asked a very small hi greeting with this model and it has responded quickly. So my laptop is 8 GB, so it is taking some time, but it is running fine. So that is one thing I want to explain. Now, next thing is you can check whether your Ollama is working fine on 11434. You can simply come to here, change the localhost with your IP of your VM, and then see Ollama is running. Perfect. Now, Ollama is running. I need to just plug in these credentials or configurations into my agentzero and then see it should work properly. So I need to come onto this agent, zero here, right? And then come on to settings, right? And last time in my video, we were using open router here, an external service in API key. So we don't need to use open router. We can delete that stuff. And then we need to use Ollama, which does not have an API key. Will come here into agent settings. I will set up this, Ollama, right? And then I will give you my model name like this, which I want to use, correct? And then I will give my API base URL so that I can access my model. Since it is installed in Docker, you can actually give this thing because it is the in this it will access the Ollama port using from your virtual machine. So that is pretty much simple. So similarly, copy the same thing into utility and into the web browser. These are the three things that you need to do, and then we will see the. So I've unpaused the video, and now I have uh, accessed. I want to access the chat now using Ollama. I will simply type my greeting, hoping it should work, and then it should respond to my greeting message, and we can see the responses here also. Yeah, so it is responding it properly, and then yeah, it has responded. So now the benefit of this is I'm not using any external API thing to get it done. I'm using the local Ollama and using my whatever I wish. I want to use this any other model, I can simply install, download, and then use it in my agentzero. So that is pretty much. I want to keep it short. This video is all about installing agentzero and then using the local Ollama framework, and use any model whichever is your choice as per your convenience. Stay tuned. We'll come with another session on skills on the agentzero, and then we'll do a lot of wonders using agentzero. Thank you for now.